about the structure of this welding machine, you could see this is the main part. There is a heat element inside, and also the fan. This is a nozzle, and this is a LED light. Now this is LED light. It helps you to work conveniently at night or other bad light situation. And this is the laser. This laser helps you to judge if the machine is going straight during welding. And you can see this is a LCD screen. The temperature will show clearly here. I will show you later. And you can see this is the temperature set button. You push it shortly, it will increase by 1 degree. And for this button, you push it shortly, the temperature will be down by 1 degree. And if you push it for a long time, it will increase and decrease by 10 degrees. And this is the reset button. About this button, if the machine stops working in 10 minutes, but the machine is still on, I mean the power is still on, you could push this reset button to restart working. And this yellow button is a heating switch. You can listen to this tick tock. When you open it, the temperature will increase. And for this, you can see it's a wind speed adjusting button. The left is the smallest, and to the left is the biggest. And this button is a working speed button. You can see it can be adjusted from 1 to 8. The function of this machine is the hot air is blown out from this nozzle, and the hot air will weld 2 pieces of pictures, and this press will make these 2 pieces together. This is a function. And when we start to work, we turn the main power. This is a main power button, and we turn on this heating switch. You could see this is the temperature we set. You can push this to increase the temperature. You can push this to decrease the temperature. You turn on this heating button. The temperature will be increased. You can see the temperature now is increased quickly. When the actual temperature is the same as the temperature we set, we can start to work. And we have adopted the advanced temperature control system. The solution of the temperature is within 1 degree. It means if you set 360, the actual temperature will be between 359 to 361. Almost it will be the same. You could see the temperature is increased, but no, it will low down. It will be the same as this, the setting temperature. You can see the speed now is at 3. We suggest if you use it for the first time, you can set it 2 or 3. The wind, we can set it at it at the strongest. Now we can start to weld because the temperature is almost the same. Let's start to work. 别放啊 You can see this wheel should be totally pushed on the part of welding. You can leave it 1 millimeter. Okay. Hold down the nozzle. It will work automatically. When you stop work, you just hold it up. It's very easy. And when you stop working, just like we see, you close this button first. Then the temperature will low down. You can see the temperature is decreased. In about 1 or 2 minutes, the temperature will be below 50 degrees. Please remember, only when the actual temperature is below 50, you can turn off the main button, this one, main power button, because the temperature in this part is very high. If you just turn off the main button directly, it will cause a terrible damage of this heating element inside. So we need to wait. You can see the temperature now is about 80, right? After the actual temperature is below 50, we can turn off the main button. And for this machine, we also set a auto standby mode. If the machine is on but it doesn't work in 10 minutes, it will enter a standby mode to protect the machine. You can see the temperature now is 55. We can almost turn off the main button now. And for different materials and different thickness, we can set different temperature and different working speed. If you can see the result of welding is very flat and firm. It's very flat and firm. And if the picture is burnt out, you need to lower the temperature we set, and also you can higher the working speed. But if the two pieces of materials can't be welded together, you need to higher the temperature. You need to higher the temperature we set, and also you can lower the speed we set. You need to check, make the test for 2 or 3 times. You will know what's the best temperature, and you will know what's the best working speed. You can see the result is very flat. Now we can turn off the machine. So this is this model, LC3000D. It's very suitable for small advertising shops and medium